Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So we have been releasing video every day on Bank Nifty, Crudeoil, and some other script using our MST iCore 2.0 ATS indicator. And in every video we are teaching you from the beginning, because most of the traders, they don't understand what our strategy is. People who has small knowledge in trading, they can easily understand our indicator strategy. It is just an LKG stuff. It is very easy to understand. There is nothing like difficult in our strategy. It is very simple. So what our strategy is, I'm explaining you in a very simple sentence. So consider there are two lines. Okay, consider there is two lines. So the first top line and the bottom line. So the bottom line I'm making as a red, and top line I'm making it green, top green. Okay. So now if market has opened here, either it has to come down or it has to go up, or it will be in a same range. So only these three things will happen in the market. There is nothing else will happen in the market. So what we are doing, we are not in a hurry to enter into trade. So we will be trading only if market comes to this part. Okay. If it is coming up, we will be selling. If it is coming down, we will be buying. That's all. It is very simple strategy. Then we will keep our stop loss here. If sell activated, we will keep our stop loss here. So the first sell SL is the entry point of the second buy. Similarly, the first buy SL is the entry point of the second sell. If first buy activated, there is no sell that day. If first sell activated, there is no buy that day. Only if in buy side SL hit, then we will be going for the second sell. Similarly, only if first sell SL hit, we will be going for the second buy. I once again explain. In our strategy, initially we start with either sell or buy. If sell activated, there is no buy. If buy activated, there is no sell. Clear? If in sell side target hit, trading is over for that day. If in buy side target hit, there is no further trade for that day. Suppose we have taken first buy entry and SL of the first buy is hit, then we will take counter trade. That is second sell, we will take double lot. So here similarly, if in first sell SL hit, then we will take two lot as a counter trade to recover loss and for the profit for the day. So only these 4 points we will be doing. There is nothing else. So I show you now by running the live market. Okay. So now see here. Now I have taken the candlestick patterns are up to 28th December 3 o'clock. Now market has not opened yet. So I am going to open the market. I am enabling the indicator also. Now market is running previous day. This is the previous day market. Okay. This is the previous day market. Today market has opened. Immediately our lines are getting formed. See here. Immediately our lines are getting formed. It is in 15 minutes candle, and immediately our first sell triggered. What is this first sell value? 35,371.85. So 35,371 is the entry point. And see the high. What is the high? You all can see here. So this is the high. This is the high. I'm keeping the cursor here. See here. 35,378.30 is the high, and our entry point is 35,371. So exactly our first sell triggered. High made only 7 point extra. 6 point something only went up. So now first sell triggered. Now what do we have to do? Yes, you are correct. Since cell activated, come here, this indicator settings. So this part. So here we have given the settings. See here we have given the settings. So here, click onto this. Then enable first cell targets, first cell SL, and remove the first by entry, second by entry, and second cell entry. So here you can enable second by targets and second by entry also. Why second by enabling? Because first cell activated, we don't know market how it will behave. We should be ready for anything. We should be ready for anything. If cell activated and target hit, it's well and good. Where we will be in a profit. Suppose if SL hit, what you have to do? So here, if it is going up instead of coming down, if it is going up, we should not be in a loss. We should recover the loss. So what? That's why we should take the counter trade at 35,531 for the target of 35,690. So now cell activated. Let us see what happened in the market. So I'm running the market. So immediately in the next candle, we got the target. See here, see the perfection. So immediately in the next candle itself, we have got the target. So at 9:45, the sell got triggered, and at 9:10:15, our target hit. Just in 250 minutes candle, our trading for the day is over, and we have booked around 35,371 minus 35,212. 150 points we have booked in a single trade. That's all. You close your laptop, close your mobile trading system, trading platform, and do some other work. Don't keep watching the market. Now I'm running the market. So whatever be the condition of the market, whether it is uptrend or buy trend or sideways, we don't have to bother. You just blindly follow the indicator. You will be getting 100% profit if you are following the rules and regulations. And if you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also subscribe to our Telegram channel. So you'll be getting more updates in the Telegram as well as in the YouTube. What happened? Market over or internet problem? It is not moving. So before you trade in the live market, please consult with your financial advisor. Then you start trading. So we are giving this only for the educational purpose. Don't forget. So it is loading. Yeah. See here, from sell to buy, exactly done. So we have been telling you either you can keep the targets as given here, right? Or you can directly wait for the first sell entry. So that also you can do. It is up to you. See here, sell activated and all the three targets perfectly achieved. So I am enabling first sell SL also. See here, exactly from here to here. Exactly from here to here, our targets have been achieved. So no other indicator will give you this kind of perfection. See the perfection. Here cell activated, here targets hit. The low was 34,890 and our target was 34,896. So 6 points down extra, 6 points up extra. But our targets hit perfectly. So this is with respect to Nifty Bank. So let me show you what happened in the other script also. So mostly we trade with crude oil also. So I show you with crude oil. So in crude oil, what happened? Again, I will come here. I will do reset. reset. See here, now first cell activated. So what you have to do, that day there is no buy, so we have to remove the buy. Then first cell targets, first cell SL, remove the second buy, second cell. Now see what happened. So cell activated here, first target done, second target done, and third target also perfectly done. After the third target, market has reversed to some 30 points up. So 5640 is our third target, and low made 5640. Again it went up to 5676. So 36 points it went up after achieving our all the three targets. So this is the perfection of our indicator. Okay. So that is why we are calling this ATS indicator. ATS in the sense advanced trading system. Advanced trading system. Right. So before you lose all your capital in the market, try to save your capital and trade with the proven system. So this system we have been following for more than 6 years, and it has been back tested with a software, and it has given a consistent profit. It has given a consistent profit. So whoever wants to subscribe for our indicator, they can contact us at only this number. So if you are contacting somebody else, we are not responsible for your payment if you are making any payment to others, right? The authorized number is only one number, 9500009154. Don't make payment to any other fellows, because in the market, if any product is successful, there will be many duplicates, right? Duplicates will come. It will look like the same, but it is not the same. So we have put our hard work to define this strategy, and to code this we have done many hard works. So please do not believe any other people. Come directly to us and contact us on this number, WhatsApp, Telegram, and you will get all your support. Okay, thank you all. And one more thing I can show you about natural gas. So in natural gas, what happened? Come here, select default settings. Since it is a 3 digits and the price is very low, the 1250 per lot, what we have to do, we have to go for with normal SL and normal target. It is safe for you. You can keep small SL also, but it is better to keep normal SL and normal targets. So he see here, first cell activated, cell activated. Let me show you whether target hit or not. Target. So here the high made was 296.2 and sell entry was 296.8. So we missed the entry by 60 paisa. So here 296.7. So here sell activated, and the low made 295.6. Only 1 point something we have got the profit. Then SL hit. Okay, SL hit. Now what we have to do? We have to go for the second buy with the targets. So if second buy activated, see here, I am zooming and show you. See here, second buy activated here, and this was a target. Our target was 301.6 and high made 301.3. Target also missed by 30 paisa. But SL was safe. SL was 296.8, but low made 297. We are escaped today in natural gas with just 20 paisa SL. So don't miss this. Always you keep the SL and target whatever is given as such. So SL also safe. Again you see, first target hit, second target also hit. Before third target, market reversed. Why the market has been reversed? Where to see the reversal process? So that also we have given the options here, right? Either market has to reverse from weekly. If that also breached, see, weekly it has reversal and first target it has given. Then it has to reverse from the monthly. What is the monthly? This is the monthly. So monthly, exactly our sell triggered 30.52. So exactly our sell got activated and all the three targets have been achieved. Okay. If monthly also not triggered, if monthly has some gap, then you can go with 3W. So that also got activated and 3 targets have been achieved. So this is how you have to trade. So first you start with the day, then the reversal point will be weekly, then third one will be monthly. But don't forget, each time frame will have a set. What is a set? It will have the SL point, it will have the target points, it will have the entry point. So you have to entry as per the given entry point. You have to keep your stop loss, what is given as such, and you have to book the profit only in the target point. So don't extend the stop loss, don't decrease your target. Whatever is given, you follow as such so that you will get consistent profit. So once you follow this indicator, all your emotional feelings should be kept aside. Don't merge your emotional feelings as well as the indicator. And don't combine any other learning, whatever you have learned so far, like CPR, narrow CPR, wide CPR, that CPR, this CPR, that pattern, this pattern, VWAP. Don't compare anything with this indicator. This is exclusively a pure mathematical strategy. Okay. And if you want to follow the CPR strategy, for that also we have given the option. So here we have given the option. If you want, you can add the CPR. Okay, you can add the Fibonacci support, 61.8 reversal support, 61.8 resistance. We have given the option. If you want, you can add them. And if you want to use the moving average strategy, you can use this moving average. We have given all the options. If you want to use the VWAP, that also we have given the VWAP solutions. So if you want, you can use them. But if you are following this strategy, don't combine anything else with this. Okay, so this is how our strategy works. It is a very proven strategy. It is working for all the markets. See here, our third target also achieved. Now I'm going to enable the fourth target, first sell target 4. See, that also achieved. That also exactly achieved. If market is closing below this line and low of that candle is broken, it will fall further. Otherwise, if it is closing above this 295.7 and high of that candle is broken, then it will reverse. So where it will reverse, that also we can see. So I show you where the market will reverse. So now it is activated in second cell, right? In the default settings, the second cell has been activated. Yeah, first cell has been activated. So we have to enable the first cell. So it might reverse only at 291.1. 291.1 only it will reverse. Till then market will come down. So this is the strategy behind our indicator. It is very easiest to understand. There is nothing difficult. Okay. Thank you all for watching our videos. If you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and encourage all your trading members to subscribe to our indicator. Thank you all.